Okay, new project for the day is changing out the gear, lower end gear oil on our outboard. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. I don't know when it was last done, so we're just gonna get it done here at the boatyard. We have a Yamaha 15 horse 2-stroke, and first step is going to be to drain the oil. I'm going to take the lower one out, so start leaking oil, and then take the top one out to drain it all out. Easy as that. And that's the first one. Pretty tight. Drain of the oil. Oh, sure we're catching it. The Yamaha lube.
Marine gear case lube.
That's it. And the pump. And an adapter. And that screws into the lower unit. Okay. Pump the can until it starts leaking out the top.
Pump the can until it stops leaking out the top. Screw the top in to seal it up, and then you're creating a vacuum.
Yes.
Then you undo the bottom one.
And put the lower one in.
And put the lower one in. Don't lose much. Like one gloop, and then it doesn't really come out. And you're good.
Good Lord, that was easy.
It really is, right?
So that's changing the oil, lower end oil. Wow, that was easy. While we're here, we're gonna take this anode off and see if we can't replace that, just because it's here and it's time to do it. And I'm literally waiting for paint to dry, so gotta stay busy. Trusty 10mm socket. It is not that corroded, comes right off super easy. Yeah. Hi Kirby. Kirby's down smelling cars. That's a long one. Oh, it's big. That's why. It's got some thickness to it. So we'll go in to the shop and see if we can't order one of these bad boys. Kirby! Kirby! Well, you figured out the ladder. Huh, Kirby? The new outboard anode arrived the next day and was easily installed with the existing hardware. Thanks for watching. Please leave any hints or tips down below in the comments, and we'll see you next time.